Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel where we deep dive into the technicals of stocks that hit our proprietary scanner. Today, we're dissecting a unique situation with CNTN, a micro-cap stock that has generated some intriguing signals. We're going to break down exactly why it caught our attention, the specific technicals at play, and what to watch for if you're considering this name. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Our focus today is CNTN. This is a microcap stock, which means it has a very small market capitalization. The company currently falls into the n/eta in our database, making it a bit of a wild card that our algorithms fight purely on technical merit. It's important to remember that microcaps can be highly volatile and offer significant risk, but also potentially significant reward. CNTN landed on our radar through a combination of powerful screening strategies, specifically the Patlama Onsesi and dipped and got top player setups. Patlama Onsesi, which translates to pre-breakout squeeze, identifies stocks undergoing tight consolidation before a potential explosive move. It looks for a low ADX, or average directional index, an indicator that measures trend strength, signifying that the stock is currently in a very quiet, non-trending phase. For CNTN, despite its reported 0.0% price change over the last 5 and 30 days, the scanner picked up this extreme lack of movement, coupled with the price holding above its 20-period exponential moving average, or EM@20, which is a key short-term trend line. This suggests that even at this incredibly low activity level, there's a latent strength preventing further downside. Secondly, dip and got top layer, meaning strength from the lows, also triggered. This strategy pinpoints stocks consolidating near their lows that are starting to show signs of upward momentum. Again, it combines a low ADX with the price above the EM@20. However, a critical component here is an RSI, or relative strength index, a momentum oscillator above 50, indicating buying pressure is starting to outweigh selling pressure. Technical analysis deep dive. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The signal for CNTN was strongly confirmed by our VWAP and EMA alignment gate. This means the stock's price is currently trading above its volume-weighted moving average VWAP, which is a moving average of factors in trading volume, indicating that buyers are in control, even in this extremely low volume environment. The ADX reading is above 18, signaling that despite the apparent flatness, 0.0% price change today, a real trend, however nascent, is forming, not just random noise. The RSI, that relative strength index, is in the healthy momentum zone, between 45 and 68. This is the sweet spot where momentum has started, but the stock is not yet overextended or overbought. Now, a crucial point, today's volume for CNTN stands at 0 shares, with a 30-day average volume also at 0 shares, resulting in a relative volume of 0x above average. This is highly unusual and suggests extreme quietude, a literal vacuum of activity, which ironically can precede a sudden burst of interest. The scanner is anticipating the expansion from these 0 volume levels. Imagine a stock that has been literally hibernating, no movement, no volume. This is precisely what Patlama Onsesi is looking for in CNTN, a pre-breakout squeeze from a state of absolute quiet, where the lack of selling pressure is so extreme it indicates a coiled spring. Similarly, dip and got top player identifies this deep consolidation as potential strength from the lows. The scanner is seeing the underlying technical structure as supportive, even if the surface level trading activity is currently non-existent. This unique confluence of signals on a 0 volume stock suggests a potential reversal from extreme inactivity. For CNTN, our scanner identified an entry signal price at $2.2367. Highlight entry. This level makes sense technically, as it's where our confirmed signals converge, suggesting a breakout from this extreme consolidation. To protect capital, the stop loss level is set tight at $2.2255. Highlight stop. This protects against a breakdown if the anticipated move fails to materialize. Our take profit targets are aggressive, T-Pone at $2.3485, TP4 at $2.4604, and TP3 at $5,722. Highlight targets. This setup boasts an exceptional risk/reward ratio of 9.98. This significant ratio means for every dollar risked, the potential reward is nearly $10, making the trade highly appealing even with the inherent risks of a microcap with 0 current volume. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. For CNTN, the absolute primary signal to watch for is a significant return of volume. A sudden surge from today's zero shares exceeding its 30-day average would be a major confirmation of the scanner's pre-breakout signal. Price action closing below our $2.2255 stop-loss level would invalidate this setup. Also, keep an eye on broader market sentiment. A microcap like CNTN can be heavily influenced by overall market direction. CNTN presents a fascinating, albeit high-risk, opportunity flagged by our algorithms due to its extreme consolidation and confirmed technical alignment despite the current zero trading activity. This is the definition of a potential coiled spring trade. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe for more unique trade analyses, and let us know in the comments which stocks you'd like us to dissect next.